Okay, can you take it back down, or are you ramping up the maximum speed now? Yeah, I'm recording. So it's going back down to 0?
Yep, now we're ramping up 500.
Looks like max is 4,000.
1,500.
Back down. After we show moving in all the axes. I don't know what the best angle. Can I get trade the spaces here?
Ready. Let's do the X table.
Is that going to be down? Oh, that's over here?
Yep.
Oh, that's a table moving in X?
Yep.
How fast it's moving? What is the feed rate?
We're just going at 300 inches per minute.
300 inches per minute?
Yeah.
How long is the table?
The table is 9 feet long.
And do you know what the travel is in X?
I'll right offhand. I gotta look at it.
Oh, we have the manual. Okay, and then Y, as I take it, that's going to move.
You want to do the lays?
Yeah, that's Y. Oh, that's Z.
Yep.
And then what's Y? Is that the spindle up and down?
Yep.
The head up and down?
Yeah.
Do you know what Z is? You have to look at the manual.
Y here is about 40 inches. Z is approximately the same.
Z and Y are both around 40?
Yeah.
X is probably pretty close to that, I would assume.
X is a little longer. It's got quite a travel on that.
You said the table's 9 feet long?
Yes.
Wow. Nice. Sounds good.
Yeah. Everything's pretty tight.
And then over here, you use this control panel, or you run everything from this?
Everything's on digital now. This is a redundant system on here.
But it used to be used before you went digital?
Yes.
With this here?
Yeah, everything's changed.
And you said
over.
you upgraded this in 2005?
2005.
Where you put this in and the new drives and everything in the box?
Everything's PC.
Oh, let's see. Let me see that.
Drive.
Oh, it's PC driven?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Okay. So this old system you don't even use anymore?
No. You can do it manually on some of the things, but it's mostly disconnected.
Okay.
Digitally controlled.
Thank you.